Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check if you have UEFI boot in your system or not. So first of all, we're going to use a software named ADA64. In this case, I have ADA64 Extreme version. You can go to their site and download ADA64. You can also just search in Google and check other sites too to check out this software. After you have installed this software, you have to open the program, and then after you have opened the program, you have to go to the motherboard, and then you have to go to the BIOS. In here you can see we have UEFI boot, and the value is low because this system that I'm running doesn't have UEFI boot. But if your system has, it will say yes in that case. Now what does UEFI boot does? Well, I think as far as I read about it, it allows you to have more than 2 terabytes of storage, and also at the same time has many security features as well, and also it's a newer version, so it's better in many ways. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if it was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.